Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to clock in on Kronos. This easy guide will help you understand the simple steps to accurately record your work time. Learning this process is crucial for ensuring your hours are correctly tracked, which benefits both you and your organization. We'll go over everything you need to know to use the Kronos system efficiently and confidently, making your daily routine smoother and more organized. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to access the Kronos system. This might be through a dedicated time clock device located at your workplace or via a web portal on a computer or mobile device. Once you've reached the login screen, enter your unique employee credentials, which typically include a username and password or an employee ID. After logging in, ensure you are on the main timekeeping screen, ready to record your hours. It's a straightforward process. Now for the main event, clocking in. On the Kronos main menu, you will typically see an option clearly labeled Clock In. Select this option. Before confirming, take a moment to verify that your name is displayed correctly and that the current time shown on the screen is accurate. Once you've double-checked these details, proceed to confirm your action. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your clock-in was successful. It's that simple. To ensure smooth timekeeping, always remember to clock in at the start of your shift and clock out at the end. If you ever encounter any issues, such as forgetting to clock in or an error appearing, don't hesitate to contact your supervisor immediately for assistance and corrections. It's also a good practice to regularly review your time card to ensure all your hours are accurately recorded. Following these tips will help you maintain precise and hassle-free timekeeping with Kronos.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.